Hello kids, welcome to my channel Draw with Sumi. In this video we are going to see how to draw Republic Day drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Come, let's start. First step is to draw a U curve, one from left and another towards right. Draw another upside down U curve in the middle. Draw a sleeping line and two slanter lines for the step. Another sleeping line and two slanter line for the second step. Draw two parallel straight lines by leaving small spaces in between. Draw four sleeping up and down curve and join all four curves by using straight up and down curves like zigzag. Draw a circle in between second and third sleeping curve. Draw lines inside the circle for chakra. Draw curves for the string. Draw a circle for the sun. Draw small EM curve on both the sides of the circle and join that with a sleeping line. Draw small and big lines on top of the sun. Draw triangle. Draw another upside down triangle and another small triangle for the kite. Draw curves for the string. Draw a straight line inside the kite, just in the middle. Draw U curve at the top. Now draw upside down triangle all over the U curve just by small pieces in between each triangle. Draw square and sleeping line inside the square. Write month and date inside the calendar. Jan 26th. Draw a circle. Draw a slanter line on each side of the head. Draw a slanter line for the body. Draw U curve from slanter line to another slanter line. Draw two parallel straight line and semi-oval for the left leg and for the right leg. Draw two small slanter line for the hand. Draw two alphabet V line for the left hand and for the fingers. Draw C and reverse C for ear and small alphabet EM curve for the hair from one side of the head to another side of the head. Draw eyes, nose and mouth just by using dots. Draw small circles inside the dress just for the patterns. Draw small circle and two slanter line for the hand, for head and for the hand. From hand, draw standing line and sleeping line for the body. Draw slanter line for the trouser, standing line and semi-oval for the legs. Draw two small slanter line and alphabet V line for both the hands. Draw hair by using alphabet M curve. Draw eyes, nose and mouth. Draw curved lines for the strings towards up. Draw an oval on top of each string. Draw 4 balloons on both the hands. Draw small alphabet R for the birds. Now let's start coloring. Orange color. Fill the color from one side to another side, line by line, without white spaces. Green color. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Orange. Green. Red. Brown. Red. Purple. Orange. Green. Blue. Orange. Green. Orange. Green. Peach. Black. Pink. Red. Gray. Orange. Green. That's it. See, it's very simple. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay healthy and stay safe. See you.